What's up everybody, this is Maddie from Maddie's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Bonaire Durango Evaporative Cooler. Stay tuned. As you can see, this is the Bonaire Durango Evaporative Window Wall Cooler with the 4500 CFM. It cools up to 1600 square feet. Low cost cooling day and night. It's got a 3-fan speed. It's easy to install, high performance, and dependability. As you can see, this is the window unit. It's strong polymer cabinet construction that will not rust. Stylish appearance. It does come with a remote. This is not an air condition. This is actually a swamp cooler that uses water to cool off your house. It's got a low profile external cabinet housing, 2-year parts warranty. Right here you have, it says do not return this product to the store. This is a lifetime warranty on the cabinet of corrosion. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the box so you can see what all comes in. Right here is the main housing. This is the bottom section. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and take it out and show you the full details. Okay, and this is what it looks like out of the box. Here is the front. This is your standard 110 outlet plug. Here's your speed. This side here is the fan. You've got 1, and then you've got 2, and you've got the max. Here is your cooling section. This is for your remote. And here's your fan blades. And down here is where the water tank sits. Here's the side profile. It only comes with one filter, which is the main back one, which is right here. I know some of the pictures shows as side filters, but there is no side filters. It's only in the back. Again, here's the side profile. As you can see, there's no venting on the side. It's all in the back. Okay, I have it installed in my window. I know a lot of people showed this product being installed, but I'm showing you an unboxing. And this is what it looks like. Here it is full blown on cool. And this is when the water drips down, your pad becomes wet, giving you the cold air. So this is the Bonaire Durango 4500 CFM. Thanks for watching.